While the easiest way to get started with n8n is using the cloud-hosted service from n8n and then sign up for the free 2-week trial, however, there are users who actually want more control and customization. For those users, having a self-hosting on the cloud is possible. And one of the easiest way to do that is through a cloud service provider called Railway, as it is already has a template, an n8n template that has all the required setup and configuration. So you can use this template and run your own n8n instance for roughly about $8 USD per month. At the time of the recording, Railway also gives you a $5 credit for sign up. And one of the main advantages of doing that is that besides the customization that you're able to have, is that you can run unlimited number of workflows. So there's no restrictions on any number of executions. So in order to get that set up, there's a few simple setup steps. The first is get an account on github.com if you don't already have one. Then second is you log into Railway.app with your GitHub account. That thirdly, sign up for a hobby plan so that you can get access to the deployment of n8n. So the hobby plan at the time of recording costs about $5 a month, but there's also a $5 credit that you get at the time of this recording for signing up as a user. And then the fourth step is then to start a new project and select n8n template that's already there, and then get that deployed. Once that's deployed, then you just log into that URL and then set your password as administrator, and then you're ready to go. So the first step is to sign up for a github.com account. So it's very straightforward. You just go to github.com and then just follow the sign up instructions. So very straightforward. Many people would probably already have the GitHub ID. So once you have that, then you go to railway.app. And then from here, you can go log in and then sign in with your GitHub ID. So I've already signed in here. And the next step is then to create a new project. And from here, you can say n8n, and this one here, n8n with workers, you select that. And then it's already ready to go. So if you want to look into more details in terms of all the things that are already pre-configured, it's here. But the nice thing about this template is that you can just take these default values and you're ready to go. So this is a pretty cool template because it doesn't just give you a basic n8n configuration. It also has a worker node so that as your workload scales, this worker node can also be used to scale your workload as well. And it also has this Redis database and Postgres database that allows n8n to function properly, all pre-configured. And so when you deploy this, it's going to start deploying. And after about 2 minutes, you should be able to get your instance. So I'll pause the video, and then when it finishes, I'll restart it, and then I can show you the next steps. So it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to be fully deployed, and you can see the template being instantiated here with the 4 different components that I mentioned. So if you go into the primary component here, it's going to bring you to a setup owner account, and then so you enter your email, first name, last name, and then password, and then you'll be able to set that up and have your own n8n instance.